This is an unboxing. We are unboxing. Y'all, welcome back to that part 2 that I promised. I promised y'all a part 2 with these special look-alike handbags from SHEIN, y'all. We are gonna get right into it. I got 5 amazing, beautiful look-alike handbags from SHEIN, and we are going to go over every single one right now. I am so stoked to open these. Let's start with this one right here. Y'all already know what it says right there. We're getting into this Prada. I'm opening this with y'all. This is an unboxing. We are unboxing. Let's do it. Oh my God. Okay, so first off, I have to say that so far in my last SHEIN video of doing these bags, those bags were such a hit. Like, I couldn't believe the quality of those bags and the price of it. Oh my God, like look how well this comes like packaged. Oh my God, it has a picture of the bag right there. When I saw this, oh my gosh, look how it comes so well packaged, you guys. Oh my, I can't believe it. I'm kind of shook every time I do this. Look at the cute little dust bag. It says Prada on it. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Oh my God. Y'all, this looks so freaking legit. What? Can you see that it says Prada right there? Look at that material. So SHEIN is saying that this is a waterproof bag. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so nice. This was kind of expensive. Okay, this bag on SHEIN was $60. I paid $60 for this Prada Dusty Blue bag on SHEIN. The real one is the Prada Amy medium leather bag for $2,950. You guys, I'm so keeping her. This is so freaking cute. The fact that it actually says Prada on it, and it has this little like keychain thing right here that also says Prada. Wait, let's get into it. Let's get into the inside. Let's open it up. Woo! It's Christmas. Oh my gosh. Wow, okay, so the inside is really nice too, you guys. It says Prada on the inside. Look how beautiful that blue is. And look at that, you guys. Oh my God, the logos. Wait. Okay, let's look at the strap. Soft. Oh gosh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh yeah, I'm going places with this. We going out. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all, this was amazing. Okay, I've been waiting to open this bag for so long. $60 on SHEIN, y'all. I can't believe that one. Let's get into this one. So we're gonna do a Chloe bag here, okay? So this one is actually super amazing. I really like the idea of this bag and what SHEIN did with it. So here we have this look-alike Chloe Woody bag is like what they call it on the Chloe website. So, okay, we open it up. It's that cute little bag. Like once you see that little wicker, you know exactly what brand of bag this is, right? Okay, so on SHEIN, I paid like $8 for this bag. What is very, very cool about this bag from SHEIN is that you can customize what this says right here. So you can put your own name, you can put whatever the heck you want right there. I don't recommend putting your name on there because you don't want people to be like, hey, blah, blah, blah. And then you're going to be like, what? You know what I mean? Like you got to keep it safe out there. But so because of that, I was able to be like, oh, let me put the name Chloe with the little mark right there to make it look more legit, like an actual Chloe bag, right? So that's what I did. This bag was like $8. So that's super dope that you can customize your own bag for $8. The real ones go for like $1,000 or something like that on the Chloe website, right? About $1,000 to $1,600 for the real Chloe bags. Very, very cute though, you guys. This is very nice. You know, this is like a lunch bag, beach bag. It's very nice, very cute, very medium-sized handbag. And I really like the idea of putting your own design right here from SHEIN for such a good deal. Oh my God, wait, we have to get into this baby Birkin. No freaking way. Hermes baby Birkin? Please sign me up. Hold on. Okay, y'all, we is getting out here. Oh my God, how do I open this? Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. It's so little. Okay, so obviously this is the Hermes look-alike Birkin bag. Okay, so the real Birkin, y'all, don't even get me started. These Hermes Birkin bags go for like 20-something thousand up to $50,000, $20,000, like ridiculous. Like, really? Okay, so, oh my God, it comes with a lot of things here. I don't know if I'm prepared to do all of this right now, but look what it comes with. Oh my God, it comes with that little lock. Oh yeah, on the front, right? Isn't that how the Hermes bags go? Okay, it comes with the straps. It comes with this little one as well. I'm not gonna get into the whole thing right now, y'all. I'm just opening these and showing it to you. But on the inside, it does not say like Birkin or Hermes or anything like that. Okay. But once you put it together, you guys, like the quality of like how good they make these bags look is absolutely ridiculous. Like, are you serious? Okay. So this bag on SHEIN, I got for like $23. And I just told you the price of the actual like Hermes Birkin bags. Like, how cute is this? This is so cute. Oh my God. And there's so many like other colors and designs that SHEIN has. Okay, you could probably tell that this wasn't a legit Hermes bag. Or maybe, who would know? Like, how would you know, you know? I don't know. That's what I think. Okay, amazing. Love that. That is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, we are getting into this Coach. We are doing a Coach look-alike. Let's get into this. Okay, so y'all know that Coach be out here with these cherry poppin' purses, right? Look at this little cute cherry bucket pleather bag. Oh my gosh, where am I going with her? I'm going to a picnic. Like, I don't know. She is so cute though. Let's get this stuff out. Okay. Comes with the strap here. Oh my God, it comes with this keychain, a cute little cherry keychain. Stop, that is so cute. Okay, so that even actually makes it look more legit when you add the keychain factor to it. Oh, that's wonderful. How much did I pay for this? The Coach Cherry Bucket Bag on SHEIN, I paid $13.89 for this. Wow, that's a steal. Okay, I'm not gonna be putting this all together right now at the moment because we is just opening, but oh my God, okay. So, okay, I love that it comes with the keychain, right? I'm not gonna get into all of this right now, but I do want you guys to know that these Coach bags right now online go for like $200, $300, depending on the size, depending on a lot of different aspects. I will say I love Coach so much. Coach is actually one of my favorite brands that I actually do purchase. I have a lot of Coach bags. I do wear Coach very frequently. One thing I will say about Coach, the quality is amazing and it's affordable for the quality. You know, for a regular person, like I'm just regular. I'm not out here buying $5,000 bags. You know what I mean? So that is something that I really actually do love about Coach and their quality and affordability. Okay. Love it. So let's get into this other Coach bag. It's way better than this. This is cute, but it could be better, right? Okay. So this is very, very special. You know, also how SHEIN packages everything, please. They package everything so nicely. Okay, this one is actually very, very popular, you guys. So this Coach bag, you guys, I already know, once you see this, you're gonna be like, okay, yeah, I know that bag. So we got the pillow quilted black bag here. Look at that soft material. We got the gold C right here, beautifully covered by SHEIN. Wow. Let's open it. Okay, it's just a button closure and opening there. Okay, we got, wow, a lot of room on the inside. A lot of room, a lot of pocket space on the inside. That is lovely. And what is very, you know, I love the craftsmanship of this. I love how it's with the gold and the black. You know, it reminds me of like the Chanel bags. And I think obviously that's what Coach was probably going for with this bag. But I really love that about this bag. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. You guys, okay, this one, oh, how much was this one on the Coach website? Okay, so this one on the Coach website was $395 for this one on the actual Coach website, which is not a bad price. Again, real leather, things like that, right? This Coach bag that I bought on SHEIN for $40. Okay. Oh, not only that, the one on SHEIN, it comes in so many different colors as well. So that's also something very, very special. So like, as you can see, you can get some like really good designer lookalikes from SHEIN and some like not good designer lookalikes from SHEIN. And that's why I bought different brands, different styles. I want to compare. I want to see the difference. Okay, we got this like baby Birkin. We got this legit looking Coach right here. Oh gosh, don't even get me started. Okay, this Chloe bag is super dope. It's not like the best, but it is still dope. But this Prada, don't get me started on this Prada. Oh my God. Yeah, this is really freaking dope. So y'all, as you can see here, what a great haul this was. Let me know what you think about this haul. Did you like this haul better than the last haul that I did with like the Chanel bag and like that Louis bag? Do you like these purses better? Let me know like which purse do you like, and should I do more of these SHEIN hauls of these look-alike designer bags? Because actually this is really fun and I love it, and my daughter loves these bags too. Well, oh my God, I hope y'all love this video. I'll see y'all in the next one, all right? Hit up my other SHEIN look-alike designer bag videos. I have SHEIN hauls. Let's get into it, y'all. All right, have a good day. Peace out.